Top 5.
Applications. This manual weeder garden tool is great for removing stubborn moss and weeds from all cracks in sidewalks, driveways, wall, etc. Quality material. The Crevice weeding tools is made of polished stainless steel, sharp and durable.
Top 4.
Multifunctional sickle garden tool for weeding, digging, soil loosening, planting and other different gardening tasks. Durable, quick and easy to use sickle hoe, suitable for any garden, yard and farm use. All steel blade Japanese sickle style hand weeder, very sharp and sturdy.
Top 3.
This gardening weeding tool with a V-shaped fork tip is long and sharp enough to be easily insert into the soil around the roots. Then rest the curved metal base on the ground and press the handle to easily pull up the roots of weeds.
Top 2.
The garden hand weeder tool is ideal for removing dandelions, thistles and other invasive weeds, suitable for use in tight spaces around plants, and will not damage other vegetation that you want to keep around.
Top 1.
The Cultivator garden hand tool is very practical and handy, ideal for weeding, digging, loosening soil, edging and transplanting, etc. The tip of the single claw root hook is very sharp, easy insert into the soil around the roots and pulled up the weeds.